Hey, it's Jason Glover with Dad's That Cook. We're gonna make some incredible muffins today. We're making gluten-free cinnamon apple muffins that are gonna be to die for.
If there's one thing I'm known for, it's my muffin.
So good, so tasty, and I can't believe they're gluten-free. So first you're gonna need about 2 cups of apples. Skin them, peel them, dice them into little cubes, okay? That's what we're gonna do. All right, so let's run through the ingredients for this muffin, all right? 2 1/4 cups of flour. I use gluten-free flour. I use cup for cup. The stuff is amazing. I love it. Thomas Keller, you are the man. We have 1 cup of buttermilk. We're gonna use buttermilk. We have 2 cups of cubed Granny Smith apples. We have 1 1/2 cups of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of melted butter, which is 1 stick of butter. We've got 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and we have 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 egg. Our little tin, we'll get that sprayed up, nice and easy, very simple. 2 1/4 cups of flour, we're gonna put that in the bowl. Then the baking soda, we're gonna put that in there. And we'll do 1/2 teaspoon of salt, we'll put that in there, and we'll just kind of blend that up a little bit, okay? Keep it nice and simple. Blend it up, get that together. In a separate bowl, sugar, butter, vanilla extract, and let's slap our egg in there. Boom. And then our 1 cup of buttermilk. Let's throw that in there. We're gonna blend that up real nice. Okay, now let's put our apples in there. And we'll just blend those in nice and simple, like so. We can take our flour mixture and we can combine our flour mixture with our wet mixture over here. And we'll just do little bits at a time so it doesn't get all clumpy. Get all that in there. And we'll just slowly stir that in until it's got a nice consistency, and then we'll be ready to put that in our muffin tin. I'm just going to use a little 1/4 cup measuring cup. Works simple. If you have an ice cream scooper, great. If you don't, oh well. We're in our tray, we're ready to go, but we're going to put a little topping on it. This is where the cinnamon stuff comes in. We've got 1/2 cup of brown sugar, got 1/3 cup of our gluten-free flour again, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Combine all those and then we'll just kind of lay them out on top. It's gonna be perfect, so watch. I'll show you how this goes. Grab our flour, put that on there. Let's get these guys all mixed up, and then we'll grab our cinnamon, mix that up. Now let's grab our butter. Put our butter on there. And then let's just mix these guys up. So it's a nice little consistency, crunchy, crumbly, and we're gonna just grab it with our fingers and we're gonna kind of sprinkle it on and pat it in and go to town on it. Okay, so let's just grab a little. Those are all done, they're all set. Now all we gotta do is stick it in the oven. 25 minutes, those will be out of the oven. They'll be ready to go. My wife, I'll use her as a guinea pig because she's the one who wants them the most. Oh. Oh, look at those bad boys. All right, so we got them out of the oven, and I got my lovely, beautiful wife hanging out with me, my taste tester of the cinnamon apple muffins that we made earlier. So now's the time to try it out, girlfriend.
Okay, these look really good, and they smell so
They
nice.
do smell good. Down the hatch. That's good.
Wow, I like the crunch.
The top, the crunch. Oh, look at that one. Look at that
Ooh,
apple
that's
right there.
good, isn't it?
I actually do like those a lot. I'll get this recipe up. You guys will enjoy it. It's phenomenal. We're loving it. And it's real simple to make. So if you're into gluten-free, you won't even know this is gluten-free. It tastes so good. We'll see you next time on Dad's That Cook. Go check out the recipe. And there you have it. Right?
Bye-bye.
Ciao, ciao. Hey, thanks for watching. You want to see more cool videos like this one on Dads That Cook? Make sure you subscribe. You want to win some really cool stuff? Subscribe. You want to get notified? Make sure you know what's going on? Subscribe.